PrinterStats is the ultimate printer monitoring solution. Let me show you how to install it at a client. Start off by pressing one of these Add buttons. Then download your Windows installer. You can save this on your USB. Copy this one-time pin. On a client computer with network access to the printers, launch the Windows installer. You can choose to install PrinterStats as a Windows service. Paste the one-time pin here. Take note the installer can be reused on any client machine, but each installation requires a new one-time pin from the web portal or the mobile app. Finally, enter the site name. And optionally, add the site notification email addresses separated by commas. Okay, great. PrinterStats is now installed. Now if we go back to the portal, we can wait a few seconds. All right, there we go. It just came in and we discovered one full printer. The client will also receive an email with a link to their read-only dashboard. Take note, they won't be able to edit or change anything on here. Now we can also install PrinterStats via the rollout feature. How that works, you put in the same client details in here. You send them an installation link. This is what their email would look like. Once the client downloads their link, you can see that updated here. You can also see if they opened up the emails, if they opened the installer, where they are in the installation process. If they open up the installer, they'll find your unique company details and logos here. They will follow the same principles with installer, only this time they don't have to add a one-time pin. They can now install PrinterStats.